Hi guys, good morning. So I'm doing a day in my life vlog and I just thought let's show you guys what I actually do here in Pune. पूरा दिन कैसा जाता है and I decided to do it today is because आज बहुत सारी different चीज़ें होने वाली है. So I just thought let's share it with you guys. We are done with our breakfast and now I'm gonna prepare lunch. But before the lunch I just want to do quick घर की चीज़ें. So I'm gonna do that. So yeah. The lunch is almost done. Palak paneer, rice is also done. I'm just waiting for paneer. Like I have to top it up with some paneer and cook for a few minutes, and that will be done. Altamash went down to get paneer, and till then I'm just like getting ready. I just Jumma hai, so I have to pray namaz, and some extra work which is filling this bottle up with Zamzam. Recently we went to Saudia, and from there we got Zamzam and dates for people. So wo pack karna basically. It's an have the kind of a thing which you're gonna pack and give it to people over this weekend. We are going Mumbai especially to vote and to distribute all the things that we bought for everyone, like the Zamzam and the dates and all that stuff. So वो भी देना है, so दोनों हो जाएंगे. So we actually had a plan of doing this over this weekend. Most probably Sunday will be going and we'll be coming back on Monday or Tuesday. Not Monday. Monday तो vote करना है, तो Monday रात में भी और Tuesday morning. So yeah. That is left is quickly take shower and get ready for Jummah prayers. So I'm gonna do that. And see you guys after some time. So after the lunch I just sat and I did this little video of what all I shopped from my last trip, and trust me guys, it's so hot. Fan band hai because I cannot on the fan and we don't have AC in this house, so I have to bear with it. It's too hot now, and abhi that I am done with this video, I'll just wrap this thing up and we have some other work which I'll show you guys later on. So that's what's going on now, and it's almost I think 4:30. I said I think 3:30 ke aaspaas I said to record to shoot the video, and it's almost 4:45 5 o'clock now. It's too hot and I'll just wrap this up. The current situation is boxes are done almost like halfway there. Khajur we have in this cute little bag which we need to tie it up. I'll show you how. Bottles are also ready. So आज का basically यही हमारा काम था to complete the box, and I'll show you guys the box how it is exactly. Sticker here with our name on, and this is how it's gonna be from inside. The butterfly, I added a little butterfly to it. इसमें dates है and there's a small gift which we bought. So basically the box is gonna be with these 3 cute little things and like this. अब ये सब बनाने के लिए we still have some time. Bottles are ready. खजूर को bags को just tie करना है. Boxes are still pending. That 10 I think 10 boxes अभी भी बाकी है. That's what currently we are doing. I think almost 1 घंटे हो गए हमें ये करते करते एंड बॉक्स अभी सिर्फ बॉक्स पेंडिंग है एंड बॉक्स के ऊपर जो स्टिकर लगाना है दैट इज़ पेंडिंग. आई थिंक द नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस दैट वी हैव and the things that we have कम नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. that is the only concern that I have. We have a list of people to give to and according to that only we bought. एक दो एक्स्ट्रा ही लाया है but I just hope कोई randomly हम किसी को भूल ना गए and then उनके लिए भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो एक दो एक्स्ट्रा है बट नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो आज का दिन वॉज मोर अबाउट doing all this thing and then I might just pack a little, read the box first, then I'll prepare a little bit of dinner, and most probably that's how the day will end. I have to pack for Mumbai as well. वो भी पेंडिंग है, वो करना है. मुझे थोड़ा बहुत काम है मुंबई में in terms of the alteration work which I have there. I have to take few clothes there for alteration. वो भी मुझे निकालना है and I have to pack my bag. And this time when we are going Mumbai we have to take everything, the hampers that we have made वो भी लेके जाना है. So it's gonna be a little difficult but yeah. At work अभी ये बाकी करना ना और सब हो गया ना. Just this. चल. Boxes are ready. हमने उसको different bags में pack कर दिया है to give it to different people. Now we'll just put it in the car so that's easy for us to handle things at home currently.
Strong light video.
Oh, this is so good.
Season 3, a one-of-a-kind night run.
टेस्ट अच्छा है, कॉन्सेप्ट भी अच्छा. टेक अवे है.
टेक अवे है ना ये. कौन सी चीज है?
दादा पकड़ो एक मिनट, होल्ड दिस. मेरे को दिखाओ. प्रॉपर कॉफी रहेगी बट गुड थिंग इज ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं इसके साथ. हाँ, दैट इज गुड. So we were just so tired that we went for a little bit of walk and then a drive, and Majaki we had coffee and the coffee was too good. And now it's almost 11, time to sleep, so I'm just taking off my makeup and that's how my whole day was today. I'm really tired, especially for boxes pack karna was very difficult. I mean it took us almost good 2 to 3 hours and my back is almost gone. But the good thing is we are done with that. Abhi kal I have some work that I need to do is like start packing for Mumbai, and so now I'll quickly do my skincare. Makeup is almost off. So normally whenever I shoot I have some amount of makeup, otherwise I don't put anything on my face the whole day. But आज मैंने shoot किया तो I have a lot that I need to remove. So now I'm changed. मैंने मुंह धो लिया अच्छे से, cleanse it completely and some skincare time. This is something that I bought from Foxtail recently. मैं इसका विटामिन सी सीरम यूज़ कर रही थी and I thought let's try something else as well because vitamin C serum is really good of Foxtail. So now I'm using this one. I have vitamin C as well but normally मैं vitamin C morning में यूज़ करती हूँ and this I use at night now. That's it. I really don't do much at night. I'm just gonna tie my hair up now and thank you for watching this vlog. This is how the whole day I normally spend here in Pune. आज फिर भी थोड़ा काम ज़्यादा था, packing and all that stuff that made me tired as well. But now I'm good and I think I'll sleep really nicely. तुम थक हारे कुछ होते हैं. That's what I'm gonna do and that's it. So thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next.